Imagine a place where you can party up with friends, family, or degens and trade together using a unique selection of customizable group governance models. Party Finance is what makes all of this possible. Create a party, pool your funds, share in on the gains, and trade as one. You can also fractionally own NFTs and even curate a blue chip collection. There are 3 different types of governing models to choose from for your party. A monarchy, where a selected person controls the funds and makes decisions on behalf of the party. A democracy. Each member holds an equal vote on investment decisions, and the majority must rule for votes to pass. And finally, a weighted democracy. Everyone's voting power is proportional to their holdings in the party. Using our easy-to-navigate dashboard, you will have a lot of fun analyzing your party's performance, catching up on announcements, and using our built-in chat features to engage with other party members from all around the globe. Transparency is paramount. You can trade alongside DeFi veterans and influential figures, carefully watching every move they make, holding the big fish accountable, and allowing users to easily invest in diverse DeFi projects in a safe and collaborative environment. Maybe you would like to raise money for charity, pool funds for NFTs, or just trade with a group of like-minded investors. Join or create a party, and the use cases are endless. DAOs are the future of finance, and Party Finance is here to make them accessible for everyone. NFTs will play an integral role on our platform, so don't forget to check out our new collection. Party Punks are a collection of 10,000 punks on the Polygon network. Not only do you get an awesome punk as your Party Finance profile, but you'll also get over 50% cash back in PartyFi tokens every time you mint. The PartyFi token is the native token for the Party Finance platform. You can use your PartyFi for a variety of features like voting on proposals or burning your PartyFi tokens to create a party. Party Finance is a use-to-earn U2E gamified investing experience that will change the way investors interact with Web 3.0 forever. Join us on Discord or check out our website, mint a punk, and get ready to party.